Hello you lot, this is KeefCooks. I'm Keith and today I'm going to do two lovely Chinese dishes. I'm going to make crispy sesame chicken thighs and salt and pepper chips. Right, before we start, quick shout out to Paul Brayshaw, who spotted us in a supermarket in Kirkstall a couple of weeks ago. So, hi Paul. Enjoy! So salt and pepper chips were requested by Stree158 and also salt and pepper chicken, but I thought, it's the same thing, just with a different thing underneath, chips or chicken, so a bit silly doing both. So I'm going to do crispy sesame chicken and I'm sure it'll be wonderful. So I'm sure if you went to China and tried to get these things you wouldn't manage it because it's just not authentic. I mean, chips, come on. But really tasty food anyway. So if you enjoy this video, give it a like, share, subscribe, make a donation, become a patron, etc. And without further ado, let's do it. Okay, we'll start with the chips. So my ingredients are potatoes and a teaspoon of Chinese 5-spice powder, some chili flakes, in our case probably probably a quarter teaspoon, maybe a teaspoon of sea salt, and a spring onion, and some red and green things. I've got bell peppers. I'll just use maybe a third or a half of these. Most recipes say use a red chilli and a green chilli for colour and heat, but if you've ever watched me make anything spicy before, you'll know I can't handle proper heat. I really can't. So I'm a bit of a wimp. So I think that'd be a good substitution. And the potatoes, I would have liked bigger potatoes, but we're in lockdown, so this is what I've got, and that'll be fine. They need to be peeled. I always peel my spuds for chips. I'm not keen on chips that have skin on. For Americans, we call them chips. Think of them as home fries, not French fries. That's a different thing altogether. I'll just chop them into big chips or wedges. I've got a bowl of cold water. I'll pop them in there, and that does two things. That'll stop them going brown, and it will get some starch off them, so they'll cook to a more golden colour rather than a sludgy brown colour. And I forgot to mention a bit of onion, half a medium onion. Just cut that into slices and then little bits like that. And we'll have a bit of the green pepper, also chopped into bits the same size as the onion, and the red pepper. That's a bit smaller, so we'll use more of it. So now I'm going to prepare the seasoning, if you like, the salt and pepper element, or the bit that isn't chips. So I've got some oil. Sesame oil would be good if you got any, on medium heat. When that's warmed up, we'll add the onion and the bell peppers, then the 5-spice and the chilli, the salt, and, well, actually some black pepper. We should have some pepper in there, really. And we'll just let those gently cook away for about 5 minutes until they're a little bit caramelised around the edges. So we'll just pop this into a bowl, set it aside until we're ready for it. It doesn't matter if it goes cold because it'll get reheated. And also I've chopped up the spring onion. Right, let's do the chicken. Okay, ingredients for the crispy sesame chicken. I've got 4 chicken thighs, a carrot, a teaspoon of ginger, minced ginger, and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 of rice wine vinegar, 1 or 2 of honey, and 1 tablespoon. It's up to you. I'll probably use like 1 teaspoon of this hot sauce, Frank's Red Hot, or use whatever, sriracha, whatever. We'll also need some salt and some sesame seeds that need to be toasted. So we need to top and tail and peel the carrot. And then cut it into batons. So to assemble the sauce, you want a couple of tablespoons of soy sauce, a couple of tablespoons of rice wine vinegar, a good squeeze of honey, and as much or as little hot sauce as you like. And a couple of teaspoons of chopped ginger. You need to heat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius for a fan oven. That's 200 for a conventional one, and that is gas mark 6. Now, if your chicken thighs are wet, just pat them dry with a towel. And now I'm going to season them with salt. So the best thing to use would be a cast iron skillet. I don't have one currently, so I'm using my wok-shaped frying pan, and I'm just going to put these in skin down on medium heat. There's no fat in the pan, but this will release plenty. So we want to get the skin nice and brown and crispy, and that'll probably take 5-10 minutes. And when the skin side of the chicken is well and truly browned, just turn it over and cook it for a couple of minutes on the other side, and then take the thighs out and set them aside, and add carrot sticks, and you want those to kind of caramelise, you know, get brown both sides. And that's maybe another 5 minutes. Okay, the carrots are nicely browned, so we'll just add the sauce mix and get the oil all combined with that, and then we'll pour it into an oven-proof dish. And we'll pop that in the oven for about 15 minutes. While the chicken is sizzling away, start cooking the chips. Pat the chip potatoes dry and heat a couple of inches of oil or fat in a frying pan to not too hot. We want chip shop chips, not crispy gourmet ones, so cook them low and slow, maybe for 15 to 20 minutes, till they're soft but not really brown. We need to toast the sesame seeds, so we do that in a dry pan, like this. It's nearly serving up time, so the chips are pretty much ready. I'm just going to turn up the heat to brown them and crisp them a little bit, and then drain them off in a colander and put them in a dry frying pan with all the sauce ingredients, and serve them up with the sliced spring onion and the toasted sesame seeds. And now it's taste test time with Mrs. KeefCooks.
Ooh yeah! This is the funniest looking malt loaf I've ever seen.
Chicken. Oh, I was going to do malt loaf, but I couldn't get malty thing today because of, you know what.
But there'll be malt loaf sometime soon, won't there?
Oh yes.
Oh yeah.
Ooh. Ah. I found the chicken.
Sweet and salty.
Oh
Nice.
yeah.
Yeah.
I know hot. It's supposed to be hot as well.
Maybe haven't got that bit yet. I'll tell you what. It wouldn't have occurred to me that this was Chinese food.
It's not.
Is it not? I thought that's what it was.
It's Chinese takeaway food, as in adapted to local tastes.
Found the chilli. Hey, it's nice. Oh yeah. I like this.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. It's a bit, actually I must admit, it's a bit salty for my taste. But it's a salt dish, isn't it?
Salt and pepper.
It's in the title. Yeah. The veg is too salty for me, but I do like the chicken. Yeah. Salt.
It is, yeah. Sorry about that.
Yeah, but if that's the way it's supposed to taste, it's going to be a matter of taste, isn't it?
Well, here we go. I don't know. I've never had this before.
But you like things saltier than me, don't you? So what's your take on this?
It's too salty.
So less salt.
Yeah.
I like this chicken though.
Okay. All right, another winner. Winner. Chicken dinner.
Shall we dance?
Hey.
That's good, that. Use less salt, but that's really nice.
Okay. Thank you for watching and see you next time.
With malt loaf.
Where did that come from?
I don't know. Probably
Possibly
me.
malt loaf.
Because it's usually see you next week.
Jazz hands.
But as to where that came from, I don't know.
Right. Sure. You lot.